Hello. Today I'm making a video and I'm going to show you how to run Aion without the launcher. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a .bat file. I'm going to show you how to create two icons. One is going to be for the 64-bit version of Aion and the other is going to be for the 32-bit version. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So wherever your Aion client is actually saved, you're going to need to go to that root folder. So mine is actually in here. So you're going to go to NCSoft, Aion. Now, in this folder, you're going to see a couple of things. I already have my 32 and 64-bit BAT files saved. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just put those in the comment section below, and that way you can just download them. But you will need to put them in your Aion folder, your main Aion folder. So the basics of this is you can right click this and click edit, and it will open up in Notepad. And each one is just this string of text. Whenever you want to do something, for example, like you're going to want to launch the 32-bit version of Aion, you're going to want to look in the bin32 folder, which corresponds with this one, and then it's going to launch this Aion bin file here. Then for the 64-bit version, it's going to be the exact same thing, except you'll notice that this says bin64. There's really no difference between these. There is a slight difference, but you don't have to worry about it. And all you have to do is just put it in there. Now, the next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a shortcut to your desktop to run these, because you're not going to run them through the launcher. So the easiest thing to do is to right click this, click send to, and then desktop. Now, once you send it to the desktop, what you're going to see is you are going to see a file like so. It's going to have this ugly icon on it. Then one moment, let me just show my desktop icons. You are going to see this here. Now, in order to make this a little bit better looking, what we'll do is we will go in here and we'll change the icon. That window will pop up. You'll click Browse, and then you will browse to your Aion folder. Once you browse there, you can just select the Aion icon. Click OK, apply. Now, that made it look like the normal Aion client. Now what I do is I change it to this and click OK, and then you have your Aion client. And it looks exactly the same. And then you do the same thing for the 64-bit version. It's a very simple process, and it will save you from having to go through the launcher. Now, one thing that you will have to do is on days where you update or there's been some type of maintenance, you may want to run the launcher just to get that small little 32 megabyte update. It may have something in there that will fix some issue, etc., etc., and definitely for major patch days. So once you update it and run it the first time through the launcher, then you can go in and run Launcherless again. Okay, thanks for checking this out. See ya.